Anyang GEMCO Energy Machinery is located in Anyang City, Henan, China. GEMCO manufactures green energy machinery, including the ZLSP biomass pellet mills, biomass briquetting machines, biodiesel processing machines, and oil expellers. Let's now take a quick tour of our facility. GEMCO has its own research and development center. Our accomplished engineering team provides our customers with state-of-the-art designs and highly efficient technical assistance. We have obtained the ISO 9001-2000 International Quality Standard certifications, as well as the CE certification. Here is our sales team. Inquire today and they will respond to you within 24 hours. Let's now move to our factory. This is our manufacturing facility. It's over 4,000 square meters in size and is capable of producing 500 machines per month. Watch our machinists mill and drill the rollers for our ZLSP pellet mills. Our quality control area guarantees the highest possible quality for our customers. Assembling, packing, shipping, your product is now on its way to you. Anyang GEMCO Energy Machinery welcomes you to visit our facility anytime. If you are unable to, please feel free to contact us and one of our representatives will be happy to assist you. Anyang GEMCO Energy Machinery looks forward to working with you on your next project.